And here comes our first crew in toward the dock, and as you can tell, we are down here visiting Boynton Beach. Welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and this crew is our first crew coming in. They've got a good approach, good speed. Our guy's standing up on the gunnel on the bow. I guess he's gonna go for the hop. Let's see if he makes it. Oh, and he gets there. I always get nervous when I see these guys trying to hop over that. It always just nerve-wracking a little bit. We watch so many people fall, and our crew, oh, they're coming off. Trying to get it back over now. And there we go. They should be good to go from here. But that was an interesting one. He jumped off, and then they just had to back it back in to get tight, I guess. They're backing onto the dock for some reason. I'm not sure what they're doing is they're trying to back this one down. I mean, he is up on the dock. The crew stops and looks over to kind of see what's going on. And he's going to have to pull forward and try this again. So really, they still didn't give themselves much room to work with. They're starting to make the turn there. There we go. But the truck's going to come around really wide and probably run over the dock itself now, too. Little Boynton wobble action. Getting a little far to the right, though. I'm going to try and recenter this and set it up one more time. There we go. Got a good angle now. Might have overshot it a little bit on the front end as he's heading back in toward the dock, and I think so. He's going to have to line it up. He was there. They just missed it by a little bit, but that's all it takes when you're backing these trailers down, is if you're off a little bit, it can make you reset this whole thing. And there we go, looking good now, as we have the line, it appears. So our crew's gonna get ready to make some moves, get some lines on the dock. I mean, they're a little bit off the dock, so somebody's gonna have to hop over there. There we go. Oh, they just broke the guide pole somehow. I wonder how he did that. I don't think he hit it. But the second he walked past it, it just bent forward. He must have just bumped it. Or something. Maybe the boat did it. I'm not 100% sure, but something definitely knocked it over. That is a wild one. So Cap just hits the throttle with his buddy standing up and almost knocks him over. Always got to pay attention when you're standing up on a boat. So our crew here looks like they're ready to back down, but I don't think that, I mean, they can't really back down this dock. I don't think the boat behind them's left quite enough room for them to be able to get off the trailer. But this crew's kind of just sitting here. They probably can move the boat back just a little bit. But no, our guy's just going to go ahead and switch docks. But it's tough to see from this angle. I'm not sure. Is he switching to the dock on the left? There's a jet ski there too. So he's not going to be able to land it right there either. They're starting to back down, but I mean, there's a girl on a jet ski right there. Like, you're not getting anywhere unless she moves as well. So it looks like they realized it now. They started to back down, I think trying to coerce the person on the jet ski to maybe back up a little bit. But this is one of those situations that's a little tricky. In other words, her boyfriend or somebody dropped her off down here, went to go park the truck, and I have no clue if she would understand the ramp etiquette or if she knows how to move the ski, if she's got the key to the ski. I mean, no, we don't know any of that. And now it's like a little standoff as wifey's in the boat, just kind of staring back at the jet ski like, hey, you gonna move, bro? And this girl's like, yeah, I'm waiting for my boyfriend to get back. And here he comes walking down the dock now, but definitely in no rush whatsoever. Now, on this one, I mean, they were there first, but honestly, she could just back the ski up, give them enough room to get down, or they can move over to, there's several broken ramps down here. They can move to one of the broken ramps and let these people launch. But no, to top it all off, boyfriend's gonna take his sweet, sweet time once he gets down here as well. In no rush whatsoever. Man, it looks like he's waving him on, but you're not moving, bro. What are we doing here? Come on, guys. In this situation, you could at least walk back a little bit. If you're not prepped to leave, get out of the way. I'll tell you what. This husband and wife in this truck and boat have a whole lot more patience than I have. No way, bro. We're going to put on sunblock too? Unbelievable. They really are. He's just going to put on sunblock and continue to block the ramp. This is just as bad as trying to get your boat ready on the ramp. It really is, because right now they are holding up traffic when all they have to do is move this thing back a few feet and these people could launch. Oh, they're going to start trying to force their way down. And I guess our guy, I mean, I was want to say he's got the hint. Oh, here comes hubby. He's out of the truck now too. Like, what are you doing, bro? And finally they start to back it down. And they should be good to roll now, and they're going to get this thing launched. But man, sitting there on the dock, blocking the dock is just as bad, seriously, as sitting there blocking the ramp. It has the same ramifications. If you're not ready to roll, you're not ready to roll, and you need to wait. Thanks for watching, crew. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.